I thought we'd try to do examples 2 and 3 together. They're a little bit shorter. So we're in section 10.2 still, example 2 and 3. Let's start out with example 2. Our directions are to find the value of x. Now, in order to find the value of x, look at the diagram. The only angle we know is that this angle right here is 115 degrees. Okay? Now, because I know that that's 115, I know angle 4 here is also 115 because they're vertical. Okay? I know the other two angles have to be the supplements. They make a linear pair. So if this is 115, this is, oopsie, that's 65, and this is also 65. So now we have to find, so since we know the values of these four angles, we know that the corresponding angles down below have to have the same measure. So these two obtuse angles would also be 115, and these two acute angles would be 65 degrees. So right here we can see that this angle, what they're calling x plus 5, has to equal 65 degrees. So I can set up this equation, x plus 5 is equal to 65 degrees. Subtracting 5 from each side, I find out that x is equal to 60. And there we have it. Now let's go to example 3 and we'll be all done. So example 3, find the value of x again. Well, this time I know this angle right here is 136. So the angle vertical to that is also 136. The acute angle that makes a linear pair with 136 would have to be 44 degrees. So each of these is 44. Now, that means these four angles have the same measure. So the two acute ones are 44, and the two obtuse ones are 136. Now you can tell this angle 1 out here has to be the same, you could go quicker, is equal to 7x plus 9 because they're alternate interior angles. So as soon as you knew this was 44, you knew that that 7x plus 9 had also had to be 44. So 7x plus 9 is 44. And now we'll just solve this really quick by subtracting 9 from each side, which gives us 7x is 35. And then dividing each side by 7, we get our final answer, which is that x is equal to 5. And by the way, if you wanted to check that answer, just plug 5 back in for x. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 9, and there's your 44 degrees that we knew we should get. And there's examples 2 and 3.